Right. I don't know if this is going to work. This is the first try. I've attached my phone with various rubber bands, but I feel like it's pointing down. I need it to point up really as much as possible. Let's see if we're still recording. Yep, we're recording. Right, let's go and start the bike up. This is just a tester, so I don't know if it's going to work very well. The old bike's out here. Need the key. Oh, key is in pocket. So the battery ran out on this bike, so well, discharged or whatever. So I can't. So I have to kickstart it. Unlike most bikes, everything's opposite on this: chain, sprocket, clutch, and kickstarter here. So I have to kickstart it on this bike. There is underneath in the engine here, you have a red one which is a hot start and a black one which is a cold start, so I need to pull that and then off we go. Nope. Trying to kick over a 550cc single cylinder engine is not easy. So that's the first try. Second try, no. Third try, no, but it did pop. We're getting somewhere. Fourth try. Good bit in, with the dog in, come on, in, let's go. Right, he doesn't want to go in. Let's see. Mami, ¿puedes cerrarme la puerta? Just ask Serena's mum to close the door for me. I don't think we're zoomed in. No, we're not. Right. Okay. Just get out the door. Gracias. Vengo ahora. There we go, and we're off. Hopefully this still looks okay. Steep hill here. You hear the backfiring on the engine. Have a little ride around town. Roads have been done lately. Well, they put more caliche down, which is this white stone. They crush it in to smoothen the road out. They usually do that before they asphalt it. So yeah, normally on another bike you have to be careful coming down here, but this bike can handle it. Yeah. Wheel spin there. Yeah, this bike's really fucking fast. It's a Husaberg FE550 2008, and we're just about to accelerate now. You'll get an idea. Car's gone fast. As you can see, it's a nice day. There we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. road has just been done. Fucking wicked. Fucking coming up. Glitch in the road. Wow, and that was a nice fun ride. Tiny little whiz around so you can kind of get an idea of what this machine can do. And yeah, and that's it. There she is in all her glory. Unfortunately, it's horizontal, so probably won't look that good. And here I am at home with my dogs and my door, my broken door. So we're going to go in now and watch this, and hopefully I haven't wasted, 8-10 minutes of my life. I do need a GoPro, so in my house. And hello, and that's the end of the video. Cheers. Well, I'm going to try and end it.